Should Virginia impose a tax on plastic packaging in order to reduce environmental pollution? With the increased use of plastic grocery bags, the environment has been undergoing harmful scientific effects, a major economic impact, and significant political consequences from the continued and growing use of plastic packaging bags, as well as paper bags and reusable bags. While paper bags contribute to the loss of trees, studies have revealed that plastic bags are harmful to our waterways, destructive to our wildlife, and are interfering with our trees. If the Commonwealth of Virginia follows Washington, D.C. and imposes a tax on plastic packaging bags, there is a possibility that the plastic bags could be replaced with reusable bags. However, analysts have questioned the cleanliness of the reusable bags, which may contain bacteria that is hazardous to our health. Paper or plastic? Plastic bags evolved as an improved and convenient alternative to paper bags in an attempt to save trees. Economically, the cost of plastic bags are considerably lower than paper bags. What do plastic bags do to our environment? Collective data reveals that millions of plastic bags are littering the environment. National Geographic reported that it takes months to hundreds of years for plastic bags to decompose, and the particles of plastic invade the soils and waterways. Marine biologist David Barnes expressed concern for the plastic bags found floating in the oceans as they choke, strangle, and starve wildlife. Another researcher favored biodegradable plastic bags as an improvement for the environment. In February, after reviewing the success of the bag tax in Washington, D.C., 2 Virginia Democrats introduced legislation that would place a tax on disposable plastic bags. However, the Virginia General Assembly was not successful in passing the plastic bag tax. With the realization that Virginians use more than 2 billion bags per year, the proposed bag tax, known as the Plastic Bag Reduction Act in 2010, would generate substantial income for the Commonwealth and should enhance the environment with reduced litter. As a result, the pros and cons of the bag tax will likely be studied and reviewed again. The proposed bag tax should create the realization and more responsible use of plastic packaging by the consumers and the baggers. Another option for the plastic bag dilemma is for the government to educate the public about the harmful effects and the proper disposal of plastic packaging, and consequently, consumers would be encouraged to use convenient recycling centers. If Virginia imposes a tax on plastic packaging, then the reduction of plastic would reduce environmental pollution. A future trend of imposing a tax on plastic packaging could improve the environment while generating increased revenue for state and local governments. The educated Virginia consumer, whether taxed or not, should recognize the environmental cost and consequences when asked, plastic or paper.